Hi alle sammen, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with the Norwegian Language School. Today we will talk about the Norwegian preposition gjennom, gjennom, gjennom. And we will give you some examples and it's suitable from A1 to B1 level. Literal meaning through or across. In its most fundamental sense, gjennom, gjennom, gjennom translates as through in English. It can denote movement through a physical space or medium. Example. Jeg gikk gjennom parken. Jeg gikk gjennom parken. Jeg gikk gjennom parken. I walked through the park. Lysstrålen skinte gjennom vinduet. Lysstrålen skinte gjennom vinduet. Lysstrålen skinte gjennom vinduet. The beam of light shone through the window. Duration throughout. Gjennom, gjennom, gjennom can also express a span of time, similar to the English throughout. For example, han jobbet hardt gjennom hele natten. Han jobbet hardt gjennom hele natten. Han jobbet hardt gjennom hele natten. He worked hard throughout the night. Medium or channel by means of. When discussing ways of communication or channels through which information is passed, gjennom, gjennom, gjennom can be interpreted as by means of or via. Hun sendte meg beskjeden gjennom en e-post. Hun sendte meg beskjeden gjennom en e-post. Hun sendte meg beskjeden gjennom en e-post. She sent me the message via an email. Experience or process through. In a more metaphorical sense, gjennom, gjennom, gjennom can indicate experiencing a situation or a process. For example, han lærte mye gjennom sine feil. Han lærte mye gjennom sine feil. Han lærte mye gjennom sine feil. He learned a lot through his mistakes. Inspection or examination, through or by. In context where one examines, checks or inspects something, gjennom, gjennom, gjennom can be employed. For example, politiet så gjennom alle bevisene nøye. Politiet så gjennom alle bevisene nøye. Politiet så gjennom alle bevisene nøye. The police looked through all the evidence carefully. Like many prepositions in various languages, gjennom, gjennom, gjennom carries multiple meanings and connotations. While this might seem overwhelming at first, with consistent exposure and practice, you find that understanding and using gjennom, gjennom, gjennom becomes second nature. Remember always to consider the context. When in doubt, practice and consult native speakers. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.